Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are so glad you're here. As with everything that we do on this channel, it's really just about giving you a look into the studio and our everyday lives and just the type of projects that we do. As I've said before, we're not so much content creators like some other channels as we are just people working hard with some great content, and we want to share it. So what's happening here in this video is we're working on a large post for an estate fencing project. This is 2-inch square solid, and we are hammering it out on the Nazel 3B power hammer. That is a 280-pound ram, and we made these custom dies to form the top of these posts into like a beautiful spear finial. So it takes a lot of power, a lot of heat, and just stretching this out, drawing it out on the hammer. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel again and checking out our work. We appreciate all the support, the comments, likes, and subscriptions. Thanks so much, guys.